Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanique if this is your first time here. Today I want to demonstrate to you guys how to make a Brazilian sugar wax, as well as just talk to you guys about the benefits of the wax and how it works for me, and hopefully if you try it will work for you too. Please continue to watch. So if you're like me and you're prone to ingrown hairs and razor bumps and your skin is just sensitive, you might want to consider trying a Brazilian sugar wax because it is all natural. The ingredients are literally sugar, lemon juice, and water, and that causes an exfoliating effect on your skin as well as a skin lightening effect because of the lemon juice and the sugar, which the particles of the sugar, exfoliate your skin. And it will minimize your chances of getting ingrown hairs, and it will just lighten your area, which is what you want if you want to wear a bikini or just take care of your skin in general. So if you watch my previous video, you'll see exactly how it's done. I went to a professional to do it. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make it at home, and you could also do it by yourself. The only thing about that is if your pain tolerance is not high, you might want to stay away from that because you don't want to get worked up about it hurting and all that, because let's face it, even though it's not a regular wax, it still hurts because you're pulling your hair out of your skin from the root, so it's gonna hurt. But for me personally, I feel like this is the best way to remove your hair because, for one, when you shave, the hair grows back thick and you get more ingrown hairs, your area gets darker, and when you shave in different directions, it causes the hair to get confused and it grows up, down, side, side. No, you don't want that. You want your hair to be in one direction. So when you go for this wax, they normally rip the hair out in the direction of hair growth, which makes the hair grow back in that same direction. And when all your hair grow in the same direction, it eliminates ingrown hairs and bumps and cuts and all that stuff. So that is what you want. You want to make sure that your hair is coming out in one direction so that you stay away from all that. The sugar wax is said to make the hair not grow back for at least 2 to 3 weeks. For me, when my hair started growing back, it took I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. So the first week it was nothing, and then it gradually started growing back. But when it grows back, it's like patches, little patches. It's not like all at once. So which is good for me because I had more time to go back. Don't shave. If you want to get rid of your bumps and your spots and all that stuff that it comes with, don't shave. Just continue getting the sugar wax, and that will lighten the area and it will not bring you any ingrown hairs or bumps. And then after a period of time, it will gradually get better and the area will lighten up. So no more shaving. No more shaving. Also, when you shave after you get a sugar wax, it's basically reverting the whole process. So you're basically starting from scratch again, which is pointless to begin with. So if you're gonna do it, just make up your mind and do it, and don't go back to shaving. It's not worth it. Trust me, it's not. It's pretty straightforward. If you wanna lighten your bikini area, your underarm area, or just wherever you shave in general, try getting a Brazilian sugar wax and see, just look for your results. So yeah, I promise you guys that I'm gonna show you guys how to make the wax so you can do it at your home yourself. And if you don't want to wax yourself, you can ask your sibling or your parent or your significant other or whoever is at your house could do it for you. So stay tuned. Here's all you need to make your wax. Literally a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a container to store your sugar in once you're done. This is a tub of ice cold water, just so when you're done cooking the sugar, you can stop the cooking process by placing it in ice cold water to stop the heating. And then this is the lemon juice that I use, literally 99 cents at the grocery store, very, very affordable. So let's go over to the stove and make our wax. So I placed my sugar and my lemon juice in this saucepan. You want to use a pan that is tall so that when it bubbles up, it doesn't overflow. And I also added a quarter cup of water. I didn't show you guys that earlier, but I added the water, lemon juice, and sugar. So now I'm gonna mix it up. Just give it a nice stir. So once everything is mixed out, it's not going to dissolve completely because it's not a lot of liquid for the sugar. So you're going to turn your stove on to medium heat. My stove goes up to a temperature high of 9 and I put it at 5. So just for reference. And you want to wait until that bubbles up a little bit. And then you're just going to stir for 2.5 to 3 minutes. And it should give you the perfect consistency. You want to constantly stir your sugar because you don't want everything to stick at the bottom. And I'm not using a non-stick pot, so just a tip, use a non-stick pot. Okay, so the sugar is melting out and it's still white right now. You will know when it's done cooking or when the wax is ready when it changes to like a golden brown color. You see how it's bubbling up? That's why you want to use a saucepan because you don't want everything to spill over on you and it's hot and it's gonna get messy. You don't want that. So use a saucepan. Okay, it's getting to the golden color, but I'm gonna leave it for like a minute more. Okay, so it's at a color that I like. You guys can't see it because of the bubbles, but I'm gonna turn it off now and head over to my ice water. Okay, you want to drop it straight into the ice bath so it stops the cooking process immediately. You just want to keep moving it around so that everything doesn't stick to the pan. And this is also going to cool down the sugar. Okay, you guys, so here's what your paste should look like. Very stretchy, sticky. This is really messy, but trust me, the benefit is so good. And it's very inexpensive. As I said, $1.99 for the lemon juice. You have sugar in your house and you have water at your pipe, versus spending $60 and above to get a Brazilian wax, you know? So try it out and let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna show you guys on my legs how to apply the wax and avoid any bruises or any stuff like that. Okay, so right here is my leg. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but I have a lot of hair on my legs. So you want to apply the wax against the direction of your hair growth and pull it in the direction of your hair growth, if that makes sense. So for example, my hair grows downwards, so I will apply my wax going upward and then pull down. So hair goes nothing. You want to apply pressure too, and you just want to mold the sugar in your leg and flick. And you guys can see, hopefully, the hair on the wax, and that hurt. So I'm going to show you one more time. So you apply I don't know if you can see the hair, but I definitely got some out. And then you just want to do this all over. So there you have it, you guys, DIY sugar wax. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try it out for yourself, and I hope you guys get good results. Please leave me a comment down below if you do. Let me know how it works for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my older videos. I'm going to link a few of them down in the description box. Please tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.